Hi everyone, my name is Lato Kata. Here's my presentation. I just want to let you guys know that I'm in the hospital and I'm sorry about the other noises in the background. Sorry about it, and also that distraction if the nurses will walk in at any time. So my target audiences are athletes both genders. You can see there's there's the logo. I choose this one because that's the one of the popular brands in here, and all the sports people they using these brands because it's last long, and also it's not only that but like it's directly the ads, it's about the active people like sports people. And here's the original ad in here. You can see that they have a tall sans serif in here, and the spaces the spaces in here, and you can see the logo in here, and the little message at the bottom, and the color in here they're using yellow, white, and black. And you can see at the background they're using white, black, and yellow. And also the typography, it's tall sans serif, they use that. And we can go ahead and analyze the original. I just finished mentioning that, but we can analyze this in here, like using the center alignment and also the image. They use the center original ad, and we can go to the next one to analyze this my new ad. I came up with this picture as I was struggling find a good picture that it will almost look similar to the one with the original ad, but I came up with this one because the reason why I choose this one, because of my target audience, it's all the about the athletes people, and I think this picture it will could match with my ads. And you guys can see that I use exactly the alignment in here, center alignment and text, and also the image. And you can see in here, and also I use the typography tall sans serif here, and it's matched with the original ads in here. And I can put here the editor's logo in here, and a little message in here. And also you can see that I use the consistency on from the textbook about the space and everything in here, and it's matched with the original ad. And my conclusion is about this ad that it will attract a lot of people in the sports. They might buy it, and also this that's the logo. And thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.